Good morning. This is Michael Pastor from Zorba Editing, and today we're going to make a video that shows you how to share Scrivener files with a friend or colleague who has another computer somewhere. So let's dive right in. Okay, you're looking at my screen, my Windows desktop. And I'm going to open up an old Scrivener file because we're going to make a new one. Open up an old Scrivener file that you've used and click File, New Project, First Item, and choose Blank. That's the simplest. And then we're going to hit Create button right there. We're making a new Scrivener project. Hit create, and now we want to give it a file name. Let's name it something. This is a test, so we're going to name it something that we'll remember. I'm calling it test-Michael. And before you click save, I want to put it on my desktop. So I'm going to click on the button that says desktop. Right now it's in my documents folder if I click save, but to click on my desktop, I'm moving it to my desktop. And now when I click save, it will create a new Scrivener project and put it on my desktop. And there it is. Look on the lower part of the screen on the left. That's my new Scrivener project. Okay, so let's delete the original Scrivener that we had. It's not deleted, we're just going to close it so we can work with the new one. We're closing the original Scrivener. And now I'm going to just put a little text in the file. I'll give the file a name. Anything is good just for test purposes. And of course, since this is a test we're recording, just call it test Scrivener, this one file inside my new Scrivener project. And I'll put some text in here, typing it in right there. Okay, so I'm getting to know this new keyboard. That's why it's a little clunky. I have to get accustomed to the keyboard here. So we're going to just say folder on desktop. And we will save this. I'm going to make the text bigger so we can see it. There we go. And now when we close this, we'll close this so we can focus on the new Scrivener project that we've made. It's on the lower left-hand corner of my screen. There you go. And now if you double click on it, there you go. I want to show you what's inside it. Now let's go back and do that again. Double click on it. Yeah. Look inside. We have two folders and then the Scrivener, important Scrivener file. When I click that, this new Scrivener will open and I'll be able to use it. But the whole Scrivener project contains more than just that file. And that's what we have to send. So we're going to go back down to our folder, the new Scrivener project we created, and just click on it and click Compress to Zip File. There's other ways to do this, but this guarantees to work. I'm going to click Compress to Zip File, and voila. In an instant, it made another folder, which is a zip folder. It put it right on the top, and now we're good to go. Now we want to open your Gmail and attach it. I think that's the simplest thing. There are other ways to do it, but first zip compress it and then send it as an attachment. You don't have to have Gmail, but just send it. The only thing is it's going to be too big to send. If it's too big to send, you can send it another way. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have questions, either call me email me or send a message in the comments. This is Michael Pastor from Zorba Editing.